Hey, what's up guys? And today I'm going to show you something pretty cool. It's Subway Surfers, but with a little bit of a catch. So let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and bust up the score here. So yeah, as you can probably tell, and by the name of the video, that what I'm using is a modded APK file of the Subway Surfer. Oh, it's okay, I've got millions of keys. Now I'm not gonna go crazy and just let you watch hours upon hours of me playing this game. But yeah, as you can see there, I got a buttload of coins and stuff. Coins and keys. And I got every single character. Now what I will do is I'll add the link in the description. Now yeah, I understand it's cheating. It completely destroys the aim of the game. But you can beat all your friends. Which, to me, that is the aim of the game. So yeah. You get every single board, every single character with every single outfit, and then you get all the special characters like Tokyo Special, Miami, Paris, Beijing, Moscow, New Orleans, London. I should be London really, because I'm English, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, hope you enjoyed this really short video. But yeah, download, prank call your friends, say, took me 2 minutes to get this score. You know, whatever. I didn't even try. Whatever. But yeah guys, enjoy the download. Have fun.